Next question. The number of complex roots of the equation whose arguments lies in the first quadrant. Arguments are lies in the first quadrant and none. You have to solve the equation x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 11 equal to 0. 11th degree equation of the 11 roots. Now we know the factorization. You have to do the factorization. We get x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0 and x power 7 plus 1 equal to 0. X power 4 minus 1. This can be written as x square whole square minus 1 square. A square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b equal to 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0, then x square equal to 1. Then x will get plus or minus 1. From this x square plus 1 equal to 0, that means x square equal to minus 1, x equal to plus or minus I. Plus 1 means is 0, that argument is 0. Plus 1 means is 0, x equal to 1 is 0, argument theta equal to 0. X equal to minus 1 means is pi, then argument theta equal to pi. X equal to I means this is 6 pi by 2, argument theta equal to pi by 2. X equal to minus I means 6 minus pi by 2, then argument theta equal to minus pi by 2. In this case 0, 90, 1, minus 90 are the 0, 90, minus 90, 180 are the quadrant angles. Now coming to x power 7 plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 6 pi will get. 7 bring the right answer, 6 pi whole power 1 by 7. 6 theta whole power 1 by n. 6 theta whole power 1 by n is 6 of 2k pi plus theta by n. We know very well this formula, k equal to 0, 1, 2, up to previous number of n minus 1. Apply that formula, we get this value. K equal to, if we take 0, we get 0 pi plus pi by 7. K equal to 1, you have to take it, 2 into 1 pi, 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi by 7. If k equal to 2 to the 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 7. K equal to 3, 7 pi by 7 will get. K equal to 4, 9 pi by 7. For k equal to 5, 11 pi by 7. K equal to 6, 13 pi by 7 will get. Out of these all angles, pi by 7, that means 180 by 7. 7 2s are nearby, 7 2s are, 7 5s are, 25 point something will get. So 5 pi by 7 will greater than 5 pi by 7 is greater than pi by 2. 5 into 25 point something, that is 100 point something degrees. So less than the, we have two angle arguments here, pi by 7 and 3 pi by 7. Both are in the first quadrant. Both are in the first quadrant. So number of arguments lies in the first quadrant are 2. Number of arguments lies in the first quadrant are 2. Copy the problem. Coming to next question. Common roots of the equation. Here the two equations are given. One is the cubic equation and 2008 degree equation is given. Both roots have the common root is there. The common root satisfies the following option. Which option is satisfies? You have to find that. Again I am repeating. Common roots of the equations satisfies the following options. First you have to find the common root. I will write first in the first equation, I will solve in the first equation. Z cube plus 1 together you can write Z cube. 1 can be written as 1 cube. From this to 2z common, z plus 1. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is the z plus 1 into z square minus 1 into z minus z plus 1 plus 2z into z plus 1 equal to 0. Common you have z plus 1 common, z square minus z plus 1 plus 2z equal to 0. Then z plus 1 into z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. This equation have omega and omega square. Z plus 1 equal to 0, z equal to minus 1. And z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0 have the roots z equal to omega comma omega square. 2z minus z is plus z plus 1. It is in the form of x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 have the roots are omega comma omega square. So z square plus z plus 1 have the roots are omega comma omega square. Now these three roots you have to substitute in the second equation. These three roots you have to substitute in the second equation. Substitute z equal to minus 1. Into we get minus 1 whole power 2008 plus minus 1 whole power 2017 plus 1. Minus for even number is minus 1. Minus 4 even number is plus 1. Minus 1 power odd number is minus 1 plus 1. Not equal to 0. So z not equal to root of z not equal to minus 1 is a root of. Now substitute z equal to omega into z power 2018 plus z power 2017 plus 1 equal to 0. Satisfy not satisfy, how to check it. Omega power 2018 plus omega power 2017 plus 1. We know that omega q value is 1. We know the omega q value is 1. Nearby 2018 multiply 3, how to check it. Nearby 2018 multiply 3. Check the 2018 is divided by 3 or not. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. 11 not divided by 3. So this can be written as 11 means omega power 9. 9 summation 9 you want to find. So 2016 into omega square. This is also omega power 2016 into omega plus 1. Omega power 2016 means omega cube whole power 3 6 3 7 3 2 into omega square plus omega cube whole power 672 into omega plus 1. Omega cube is 1 into omega square plus omega plus 1. Obviously that is a 0. So z equal to omega satisfies, and also similarly omega square also satisfies. Z equal to omega comma omega square are common roots. Substitute omega comma omega square in the option A. Z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Omega square minus omega plus 1 not equal to 0. Option 1 is not correct. You have to check the B option. Z power 4 plus z square plus 1. That means omega power 4 plus omega square plus 1. Omega power 4 can be as omega cube into omega, that is omega plus omega square plus 1. Obviously this is 0. Substitute z equal to omega square. Then this equation becomes omega square whole cube power 4. Omega power 8 plus omega power 4 plus 1. Omega power 8 can be as omega power 6 into omega square plus omega cube into omega plus 1. Omega square plus omega plus 1 is also 0. So option B is correct. So option B is satisfies. Omega common roots are satisfies the option B. Option B is correct. Copy the problem. Coming to the next question. The area of the triangle whose vertices are the points represented by the complex numbers are given. Area of the triangle formed by the vertices z1 comma z2 comma z3 are the three complex numbers is z1 z2 z3, data of z1 z2 z3, z1 conjugate z2 conjugate z3 conjugate 1 1 1. Otherwise z1 is x1 plus I by 1, z2 is x2 plus I by 2, z3 x3 plus y by 3. So this is the x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2, this is the x3 comma y3. Then you can use the formula 1 by 2 into delta of, this is 1 by 2 times of area of the triangle formed by the vertices. We know the variable formula x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. If the given complex number in the point form, you can write point formula. After conversion of the point form, you have to apply the area of the triangle, this one, like coordinate system. You saw the coordinate systems, and coordinate system lo chusam anadi. Otherwise you can apply this formula directly. If any one vertex 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 means 0. Suppose the given complex numbers are given, z0, z1, z2 are given, then area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into delta of z1, z2, z1 conjugate, z2 conjugate, z1, z2, z1 conjugate, z2 conjugate. I would like to apply this formula now. Now one vertex is 0 comma 0, other vertex is z, other vertex is z into e power I alpha. So I am taking this formula, second formula I am taking. Area of triangle 0 comma z into e power I alpha equal to 1 by 2 into delta of z, this complex number conjugate z conjugate, second complex number z into e power I alpha, conjugate of this one is z conjugate into e power I alpha. E power I alpha means cos alpha plus I sin alpha. If you take conjugate, e power minus I alpha will get, that is a conjugate means whole conjugate, that is a cos alpha minus I sin alpha will get, that is e power minus I alpha. So e power minus I alpha. So finally we get is the 1 by 2 into det you have to find z into z conjugate into e power minus I alpha minus z into z conjugate into e power I alpha. Z into z conjugate you have to take common, mod z into z conjugate, modulus of e power minus I alpha means cos alpha minus I sin alpha. E power I alpha means cos alpha plus I sin alpha, minus you have to apply in same cos alpha minus I sin alpha. These two get cancelled. This will get 1 by 2 into z conjugate is mod z whole square minus 2I sin alpha. 2 to get cancelled. Modulus of I is 1, mod I equal to 1. So mod z square into mod sin alpha will get answer. Mod z square into mod sin alpha. Coming to next problem. This is the answer. See what is given, z plus 1 by z equal to 1. Z plus 1 by z is 1. You have to solve the equation, you can find the z value. Take the LCM, z square plus 1 equal to 1. Z square plus 1 equal to z. Z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. If the given equation is in the form x square plus x equal to plus 1 equal to 0, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to omega comma omega square are the roots. If the given equation is in the form of x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to minus omega comma minus omega square are the roots. These two are very important. Most of the problems repeated by based on these two concepts. Again I am repeating, if the given equation in the form of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to omega comma omega square are the roots. If the given equation is in the form of x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to minus omega comma minus omega square are the roots. Now the given equation is in the form of second form, that means z equal to minus omega comma minus omega square are the roots. Now you have to find the z power 20 plus 1. I will take z equal to minus omega. That is your choice. You can take any one. Either minus omega square also you have to take. We get same answer. Z power 20 plus 1. Z power 20 means minus 1 whole power 20 plus 1. Minus for even number is plus. Nearby 20 multiplied by 3 is omega power 18. This is omega power 18 into omega square plus 1. Omega cube equal to 1. Omega power 18 also 1. So otherwise directly you can find see 1 into omega square plus 1. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Then 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega. So finally we will get minus omega. Next value z power 40 plus 1. Minus omega power 40 plus 1. Omega power 40 plus 1. Nearby 40 multiply 3. That is omega power 39 into omega plus 1. Omega cube. This is omega cube whole power 13 into omega plus 1. Omega cube value 1. 1 power 13 is 1. 1 into omega is omega plus 1. 1 plus omega is minus omega square. So z power 40 plus 1 equal to minus omega square. Now z power 60 plus 1. That is a minus omega power 60. 60 is a multiply of 3. So that is a omega cube whole power 20 plus 1. 1 plus 1 that is 2. So finally we get z power 20 plus 1 into z power 40 plus 1 into z power 60 plus 1 by z power 60. Z power 20 plus 1 is minus omega. Z power 40 plus 1 is minus omega square. Z power 60 value is 1. 1 plus 1 2. Minus into minus plus. Omega into omega square omega cube. Omega cube means 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Answer is 2. Copy that problem.